Hi everyone, welcome to Cook Accra. My name is Naoyo Kumoji. Hope you guys are doing amazingly great. And today we're going to be looking at how to prepare plantain. And plantain is one of the very common staples that we have, not just in Ghana but West Africa as well. And I know I've been to New Jersey to an African store and even found plantains, So plantain is very common when it comes to Ghanaian and West African cuisine. And if you're new to plantain, you should watch this because we're going to be talking about how to prepare plantains when it comes to slicing, dicing, the different ways that you can prepare it depending on what you want to do. Okay, so whether you want to make kelewele, whether you want to boil it, I'm going to teach you how to slice and dice. Stay tuned, guys. So peeling plantains is very easy. What you want to do is you want to cut from one end to the other. So it's one long slice down, right? And to maximize on the amount of plantain that you're gonna have, it's best you do it this way instead of chopping across here, which is also another method. So we have our plantain, and there are different ways to either slice or dice. Okay, so we're going to look at the scenario where you want to make kelewele. Okay, so you can either have the circular, so that is the circular kelewele look that you want to go for, right? So it looks very cute, very easy to pick and chew on. And we're gonna have also the diagonal look. So you're basically slicing diagonally across the plantain, so that gives you a different look as well. And all this gives you kelewele, right? So there you have the diagonal shaped kelewele. So once again we slice across. This time we are cutting the plantain in half, okay, longitudinally or lengthwise, and we still slice diagonally. Okay, we're still going to slice diagonally, but this time the plantain has been halved. So this is the traditional way, or the most popular shape when it comes to kelewele, right? This is the most popular shape. So if you want to maximize on the amount of kelewele you want to have, you go for this shape. Okay. And you can also decide to boil your plantain. So we either eat plantain fried, boiled, or you can even bake it if you want, So I'm going to show you how usually we slice our plantain when we want to boil it and eat it with palava sauce or garden egg stew. You can have it with soup, because I've had plantain with palm nut soup before. It's totally insane. So we slice again, right? And this time into bigger slices. So for boiled plantain, it's very common to see bigger chunks or bigger slices of plantain. So you have it in bigger chunks like that. So when you have this shape as well, you can decide that, oh, I want to make roasted plantain because maybe you've been too long gone from Ghana and you miss roasted plantain. Okay, so this is one of the popular shapes of roasted plantain. And roasted plantain is a very popular street food in Ghana, and you find it almost anywhere. Okay, you see it's being roasted in a basin, over hot coal, and it's usually women vendors who are selling the roasted plantain, and it's best enjoyed with groundnuts. Trust me, it's one of the most addictive street foods that we have, and we call it Kofi Brokeman or Ama Brokeman. So yes, yeah guys, so this has been Cook Accra. Thank you guys for joining in. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson on how we prepare plantain. And don't forget, you can sign up for our cooking class at www.cookaccra.com. I'm going to put a link in the comments or in the video description. And you can sign up to learn the fundamentals of Ghanaian cuisine. We have a great menu that you can choose from. We make a papransa and potom poto. I can teach you how to make nkati cake, etc. You just have to sign up. You know, I can take a maximum of 4 people or even 2 people and a minimum of 1 person. Okay, so whether you want a one-on-one or a group session, I'm available. So don't forget, you can always sign up, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you guys, and see you soon. Bye.